Trust, honesty, and fidelity are just some of the many things men seek in a relationship. Women are more vocal about what they need and desire, but things men want in a relationship remain a mystery more often than not. Men and women think differently, behave differently, and even want different things in a relationship. While women try to express themselves a lot, men reveal less. It becomes difficult for women to impress their men as they don't know what they like or dislike. But don't worry. We have got your back. In this video, we have listed 6 things that men want in a relationship and what you can do to make them happen. When you are aware of what men want in a relationship, it can help you to understand your partner and be considerate of his unspoken wishes and desires. This can strengthen your bond and draw you closer to one another. It can also help you to clear away misunderstandings and minimize any miscommunication. So, what do men really want in a relationship? Number 1. Men seek honesty in a relationship. Honesty is a top priority for most men. When it comes to relationships, men want to trust their partners completely. They also expect the trust to be reciprocated. A man cannot bear to be kept in the dark over any matter by his partner. They prefer to know the truth, regardless of how unpleasant it might be. Want to be straightforward in your approach. Trust your partner if they have demonstrated to be trustworthy over your dating period, and you both must communicate your needs and your feelings with honesty. If one partner has trust issues, they will need to take responsibility for their insecurities when they come up, which is inevitable in any new dating relationship. Otherwise, this behavior would put a strain on or sabotage a relationship long term. Number 2. Men don't want to be controlled in a relationship. No man likes to be manipulated or controlled by his partner. Women often believe they can change a man, but it's important to give a man space to be with his friends, have time for his hobbies and interests, and develop an interdependent, healthy relationship. Sometimes, individuals think manipulation or forcing control is the only way to get a man to do certain things. Particularly if one partner is codependent and looking for a partner to make them happy when they should focus on making themselves happy independently and within themselves. But, this often has the reverse effect. A man can feel restricted as if his freedom is being taken away, he is mothered or emasculated, or he is treated like a child and told what to do. This behavior will often push a man away. This isn't healthy for a relationship. Be frank with your partner and establish your boundaries. It's also important to make clear what your expectations and desires are from him. Remember, it's not your partner's job to make you happy. It's your responsibility. Number 3. Men want confident and secure partners. Men like women who are confident and considerate of their partner's needs in the relationship. They do not want partners who are insecure and cannot stand to see them with any other female, be it their friends, family, colleagues, or mere acquaintances. If a man is a good communicator with a partner and openly shares his plans, where he is going, and where he ended up going, this helps any partner feel considered. A woman may feel uncomfortable knowing her man is with another woman. But as long as he demonstrates honesty and shares what he is doing before and after the event, he will begin to build a much stronger bond for trust to grow, which is the most valuable foundation of any healthy relationship. Number 4. Men want respect. Respect is one thing that men value very highly. If you demean him in public or don't respect him in private, your relationship may suffer. Men value women who are respectful toward their partners as well as their dreams and aspirations. Learn to respect your man for who he is and appreciate his good qualities. If you don't like something about him, have a frank discussion with him rather than disrespecting him. Number 5. Men expect to be understood. Men are human, after all. When they make any mistake, they want their partners to be considerate and not turn it into an issue. They want to feel supported and accepted despite their faults. Anyone can make mistakes, including you. Just let him know that it is okay if he has messed up in some way. If the mistake has hurt you in any way, be sure to express that, but also let him know that you are ready to address the problem with him. Number 6. Men want to have fun. It's not just women who love a sense of humor in their partner. Even men want it. Having a fun-loving partner who does not take things too seriously helps them to relax and unwind. That's why they want a partner who can be spontaneous, laughs with them and is willing to show their playful side. Take an interest in his hobbies. Ask him questions, and he will be glad to share details with you or invite you along. Make an effort to value what is important to him, and he will value and share what is important to you. You can go bowling or order his favorite food and play video games at home. Either way, he will love that you can have fun and take an interest in his hobbies. Men and women want very similar things in their relationships. The only difference is that men do not express themselves enough, as many are conditioned to maintain a tough exterior. But being patient and putting in efforts to build intimacy in a relationship goes a long way. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.